After we learned how to work with cloud services, it's time to organize monitoring of the load testing stand. And we will start with the machine with a monitoring role, specifically with the installation of the Influx database. Let's analyze the algorithm of Ansible actions. Playbook Ansible should install InfluxDB on a machine with the monitoring role. Run this database as a service. And create special entities for storing data called buckets. Buckets should be named like Telegraph and Gatling. The bucket Telegraph will store metrics that are collected by Telegraph agents. And this will be metrics about the utilization of hardware resources. And the Gatling bucket will also store metrics collected by Telegraph agents, but they will be dedicated to the statistics of the load generator. Now let's start automating this algorithm. We are looking in the Ansible folder for the corresponding InfluxDB folder. Open and look at the parameters of the playbook. First of all, we see that the playbook will be executed on machines with the monitoring role. We have such only one machine. A user named Ubuntu will be used to connect, and part of its instructions will be executed with the sudo command. Next, we have variables in which we set which versions of InfluxDB we want to install, the repository where to get this version, and also set which storage buckets we need to create. Two tasks are called in the main file. The first one is responsible for installing InfluxDB. Ansible connects to the machine, installs special dependencies, configures the repository, installs InfluxDB, then makes sure that InfluxDB is running as a service. After that, the default user is created, and the buckets we need are created too. The task of creating buckets runs through the collection of InfluxDB buckets, which is contained in the vars variables, and creates buckets if they do not exist. Now all that remains is to go to the directory with the corresponding playbook and launch it. The playbook is running, and it remains to wait for its completion. The database has been successfully installed and buckets have been created. Now we can start filling these buckets with the metrics data.